I bought the Fujifilm X100VI a year ago, and to this day this camera brought me more satisfaction than any other camera that I own. Or have owned. Lightweight, compact. It's a joy to carry, even in this stupid fucking weather. Weather resistant, very important. Although recently I had an issue with the camera, so I used it in the rain and then it kind of stopped working for a few days, then it dried out, and now it's working again, somehow. I don't know. This is a great camera for both personal work and client work. I take it with me everywhere. Literally, it just fits in my fanny pack or even in my pocket. Poof. You can just take it out and then take the shot. You know what I mean? The camera goes with me everywhere. Instant feedback, instant gratification, effortlessly. You know what I mean? That's the key word over there, effortlessly. And to be completely honest with you, this is probably the only camera I would recommend you get from Fujifilm, at least for the moment, until Fujifilm fixes the autofocus and gets it to a level that's close to the competition. Yeah, this is the only camera I would compromise over the autofocus because the way it makes me feel, because the way it looks, because it's so easy to just take it with you and just drop it in a pocket, drop it in the backpack, whatever, and you have a great camera. A year later, the camera has only proven to be incredible. Outstanding image quality, video and photo features that, to be honest, are professional. You can shoot 6.2K on this camera. You can shoot f-log, f-log 2. Colors look amazing. Again, autofocus is not Fujifilm's thing yet. I am sure they will fix it at some point. And overall, the camera can deliver this filmic look people look for in editing. The thing that makes the camera what is, and I can vouch for it after 1 year of using it, is the portability. You're going to the city with your friends, take this camera with you. You're going on a hike, take this camera with you. You're shooting a professional event, take this camera with you. You know why? Because it's small and it will not make people feel uncomfortable. Like if you're shooting a wedding, this is amazing because it just snap a photo and people don't feel like they don't have that huge lens in their face. So it's going to be much easier to approach people. If you take anything about this camera, is that it doesn't feel like a burden. You take this camera out and it will feel good. It won't feel like, nah, I don't know, I don't feel in the mood to take the camera with me. You will feel, I don't want to take the camera because probably I'm gonna take too many photos and I don't want to edit all that shit, you know, or I don't want to archive all of that. And if you struggle with editing or don't want to edit or you don't have time to edit, you can find in the description my Fujifilm simulations and my presets. In some cases, it's one-click job. In other cases, it's a base and then you'll have to work that. But it will be faster. It will be definitely faster. In terms of durability and build quality, I didn't encounter a big problem. The paint on it didn't come off. Yeah, in the corners here, it's okay, that's fine. But overall, the camera still looks pretty good, still feels pretty good. If you add a thumb grip, then it will improve the ergonomics by far, and you will enjoy it a little bit more. If you have bigger hands, you might even want to buy one of those plates that you put on the bottom, so it gives you like a bigger, let's say, camera to get a better grip off. And as far as battery is concerned, I would say that if I go for casual usage throughout a week, I can go like 4 or 5 days, you know, just randomly taking it with me on the streets anywhere and taking photos here and there, and it will be around 4 to 5 days easily on one battery. I don't know, whenever I want to go out and shoot, I will take the Fujifilm X100VI because it's frictionless, it's simple, and there's not too many steps involved in it. You pull it out, you take the photo, done. So what's there to say, man? This camera looks good, looks fucking good, because looks matter. I think looks matter, you know? Takes great photos, and most of all, it's just frictionless, effortless. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one. I have big news.